Your career as a singer, what's been the highlight so far?
Probably learning how to scream that didn't hurt.
Yep.
You know, like figuring that out was like, I remember messaging you 100 times being like, oh, I've done it, I think.
Yes.
And it was an eye-opener to my own voice, you know, because it's totally different to anything I thought singing was.
Yep.
You know, not using power, using technique, and that was like such a foreign concept to me. And then learning that made learning singing a lot easier.
Yep.
And just being like, okay, technique over power.
Yep.
That's how you go into singing. I think the biggest thing is a metal singer.
Especially touring as well.
Exactly.
Too.
Touring and being a metal vocalist, pretending on stage that it's power and not technique is like what you do.
Yep.
You know, you pretend that these notes are killing you, but really you're thinking so hard about how to get to these places, and it's just how it is.
It's not as easy as what it looks, guys.
No, it's a lot harder.